DUOL stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards for Duolingo stock. I'm going to be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video, and all I'll be using for technicals is just my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years. So Duolingo freaking pumped nicely on Friday. No, actually Monday just opened, right? So we're 6% up. And I'm here to tell you that we went all over the freaking place with Duolingo. I'll just get rid of the previous stuff though, because this is solid bullish market for me. And it's a whole like a 4-hour range is nice, very nice. We have my demand. The only thing that will matter to me is a proper double break now. So how would that look like? If the price corrects down a bit, gives me a shift, then yeah, sure, that's something that I'll look for a swing for. But like randomly buying will just simply not be happening. And I'll be patient, I'll just... Is there FOMO? Yeah, sure, yes. But I'm not going to act on that FOMO, you know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, money making emails and all that good stuff, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.